I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no hope, no fear, and the ground taunts my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet as how frustrating and so degrading. This time we're wasting, this time will fly by, and the sky will cry as light is fading, and he is waiting, oh so patiently, as we repeat the same routine, as we please convertibility, and please don't think about why you can't sleep in the evening, and please don't be afraid of what your soul is really thinking. Your soul knows good and evil, your soul knows both sides, and it's time you pick your battle. I promise you this is mine. I think I got some of those words wrong. Today is January 1st, 2022. It's a new era. Outro.